Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can submit your tax information in your AdSense account. So I'm going to tell you each and every step from A to Z one by one. So stay tuned in this video till the end and don't miss any step. So let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to go into your Google AdSense account and you will see this notification icon on the top of your header. Just click on manage tax information. Once you click on it, you will see this alert icon, United States tax information. So just click on that add tax information button and sign in via the information of your Gmail account. Now what you have to do is you have to choose the type of account you have. I have an individual account, so I'm going to click on individual. Then click on next. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? No. Okay. Then you have to select the W8 tax form type, and there is a two type of form that you can see in front of you. W8 BEN form, this is mostly common used by non-US individuals and it will be used for claiming tax treaty benefits. So I am a non-US individual, so I am going to select W8 BEN form option. Okay. You have to wait for some seconds because it is loading. Okay. When you click on the next button, you will see W8 BEN tax form, and my name is already there, and now I have to select doing business as a name. Now I am going to tell as a what kind of business entity name I have. So it is an optional option, and I want to enter Tech Blog Corner as a, then the citizenship of the country. I am from India. You can enter your you can say PAN card details in terms of tax identification number, otherwise you can leave it as blank. Then click on next. So I'm going to enter my details here. Now you can see I have already filled the details. So now you have to check which tax treaty you are falling in. So are you claiming tax to reduce the rate of withholding under tax treaty? I'm going to say yes for that and then click next. Select on the checkbox of resident of the country. Now select the services, Article 7 paragraph 1 and 0% reduce rate. Select this checkbox and go down. Select this checkbox of motion picture and TV. Click on Article 12 and 15% reduce rate. That means you are going to have the 50% use rate from the YouTube earning. Now it is saying we have to we have to fill out the foreign TIN number. So as I told you in the initial stage of the video, it can be optional, but we have to enter some value in it. For Indian users, you can enter your PAN card details in the foreign TIN number. Once you fill the detail, click on next. You can preview your form by clicking on this icon, and you can see all the details are there. Okay. Now click on this checkbox and then press next. Scroll down and enter your full legal name. I am going to enter my name Rahul Sethia, and then select the boxes. Yes, I am the person listed in the signature and completing this form on my behalf. So select this radio button and click next. And now you have to select, has the individual entity has the tech identification any activities in Google within US. I will select no for that, and then check on this checkbox. This is the important part where you have to tell to Google AdSense US team that if your account is already getting payments from Google AdSense, then you will select second option, and if your account is new and haven't received any payment till now, then select the first option. So I have received the payments already from Google AdSense, so I'm going to select the existing payments profile option and then select submit. Now you can see the form has been successfully submitted and the status of the form is already approved. Okay, so that's all guys. This is how it is easy to submit the form on Google. You have to keep 2 or 3 things very secure, and if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will going to give more videos like this in the coming future, so stay tuned with me in the next videos.